Hey everybody, this is Jeffrey at the Ballroom of Reno for partner dancing. So today we are doing our bite-sized lessons, and it's going to start with waltz. We're going to do the basic box. We're not going to do any technique or anything. We're just going to learn the patterns so you have something to do and you can practice before you come in for your private lessons or your group classes. So first thing we're going to do, guys, leaders, we always start with our left foot. Alright, so we're going to do a simple box. I'm just going to do the first towards the camera, then I'll turn around. And so I'm going to go forward on the heel. I'm going to go sideways, rise up, bring feet together. So now my right foot is free. I'm going to go backwards, back, side, rise up and lower, change weight. And that's it. So the timing on that is 1, 2, 3. Okay? So if I do that with timing, so my left foot starts, so I'm going to lower, and I'm going to go 1, side 2, rise up, lower 3. 1, side 2, rise up, lower 3. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Now, this pattern will rotate. I can rotate it, and I'll show you that later at the end if we have time, because it's a short video. So I'm going to do the followers part, and the followers usually exactly the opposite. So you're going to start with your right foot, and you're going to go backwards. You're going to go back all the way to the foot. Then you're going to go sideways, 2, and you rise up, lower 3, you're going to go forward on your heel. That's important because you're down. You're going to step sideways, and you're going to rise up. So I'll do it with timing. I'll do it this way so you can watch it. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pretty easy. All right, so that's a simple box. Okay, and like I said, I could rotate it. If I'm rotating it, I could go 1, 2, 3, 2, and we can turn the dance. And as you come in for your lessons, we'll work on that too. So, all right, so everybody, that is the first lessons in the bite-size waltz. We are going to do the hesitation steps, or also known as a balance step. And it's real easy. We're going to start going forward with as a leader. My left foot, I'm going to lower, I'm going to go forward. So let's get going. So we're going to step forward on the heel, rise up, and then lower. The right foot's free. I go back, together, rise up, and I'm done. So now what we're going to do with that is I'm going to turn around and I'll give you the timing with that. So it's real simple. We're just going to go lower, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. All right, now followers, this is exactly the opposite. And if you hang on, I'm going to show you 2 other versions of this. One is that actually has a turn in. So as a follower, you're going to go backwards with your right foot. You're going to lower and go back onto the whole foot. Okay, we're going to rise up and lower. Left foot goes forward on the heel. Forward, rise up, 3. So the same timing, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Pretty easy. So now what we're going to do now is we're going to start as a leader. I'm going to go to the left. We're going to do a side balance step or hesitation. So we're going to go lower. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, rise up, 2, 3. All right, pretty easy. Followers yours is exactly the opposite. So you're going to lower, take your right foot, reach it out there, and go side, rise up, 3, then side, 2, 3. All right, now, what we're going to do is we're going to combine those 2. We're going to do the third version of the hesitation balance step. And I'm going to go, I'll do it this way so you can see it as a leader. So I'm going to lower, I'm going to go forward, 1, forward, 2, lower, 3. And as I reach back, I'm going to go back. I'm going to place my foot over here to the side, reach over, and rise up, 3. Okay, so I'll do that again. So it goes, timing is 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Pretty easy. Now the followers are doing exactly the opposite. I'll go backwards for it. So you're going to go back with the right foot. So then you're going to go 1, 2, rise up, 3, forward, forward, side, together. All right? So do that again. He goes 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. All right. So now, with that being said, those are pretty easy. Those are great little patterns to use when the floor gets a little crowded or if you go around someone. Turn a corner, excuse me. So everyone, hope this helped you.